My name is Latasha James, and I've been a social media manager and marketer for the better part of 10 years. This course will take you from 0 to 100 in terms of getting a Facebook page set up, running, and thriving. Of course, we'll be covering what to post. That has to be one of the #1 questions I get. So we'll talk a lot about content strategy and what types of content does best on Facebook and actually helps you grow your audience there. In addition to that, we'll be taking a deep dive into the power of Facebook groups, how to start them, how to add members to yours, and how they can move your business forward. This course is perfect for marketers who work in-house for their company, for freelancers or agency owners looking to take on social media marketing clients, or small business owners who need to get a Facebook strategy set up and running for themselves. Sound good? I'm excited to go through this material with you, so let's hop into Facebook Marketing Essentials.